What if I told you you could walk out of a fire with zero burns and still collapse minutes later? Sounds impossible, right? But inside your body, something far more dangerous than flames is happening. Because fire doesn't just burn, it replaces your oxygen. The moment you inhale that smoke, it rushes into your airway. Hot, toxic, loaded with invisible particles. Your throat begins to swell. Your lungs struggle. And every breath you take becomes less effective. But here's the real danger. Your blood is still moving. Your heart is still beating. But the oxygen, it's being pushed out. Toxic gases silently take its place, turning your bloodstream into a delivery system for suffocation. And your brain? It's the first to feel it. You get dizzy, confused, your vision blurs. Then suddenly, your body just shuts down. That's why someone can escape the fire, look completely fine, and then collapse without warning. So if someone is rescued and there are no burns, this is where most people get it wrong. They assume the danger is over. It's not. The first thing you do, get them into fresh air immediately. Every second matters. Then check, are they breathing? Look at the chest. Listen, don't guess. If they're breathing but unconscious, gently roll them onto their side. This keeps their airway open and prevents choking. Loosen anything tight around their neck or chest. Let their body breathe freely. Keep them calm, still, breathing slowly. Because right now, their body is fighting to restore oxygen to the brain. Watch closely for warning. Signs: confusion, fustian coughing, slop breathing, or dark soot around the mouth or nose. These are not minor symptoms. They are signs the damage is happening inside. Call emergency services immediately. And if breathing stops, and only if you're trained, start CPR. Because in a fire, survival isn't just about escaping the flames. It's about what happens in your body after you escape. So let me ask you, if someone walked out of fire right now with no visible injuries, would you know if they're still in danger?